Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a QR code link. It is important to understand that not all QR codes can be updated. There are two main types, dynamic and static. Dynamic codes offer flexibility, allowing you to modify their destination. However, static codes are permanent once created. We will explore the differences and guide you through the process for each type. Dynamic QR codes are incredibly versatile because they don't directly store your final link. Instead, they point to an intermediary URL managed by your QR code service. To change the link, simply log into your account, find the specific QR code, and update its destination URL. This process usually takes less than 1 minute, and the new link is active immediately for everyone who scans it. Static QR codes present a different challenge. The actual web address is hard-coded into the visual pattern of the QR code. This means that once you generate and print a static code, its destination is permanently fixed. If you need to change the link, you will unfortunately have to generate a completely new static QR code and replace all instances of the old one. There is no workaround for this limitation. For maximum flexibility and future-proofing, always opt for dynamic QR codes, especially for campaigns or materials that might need updates. After making any changes to a dynamic code, take a moment to scan it yourself to confirm the new link is working as intended. Utilizing a robust QR code management platform can also provide valuable insights into scan data, helping you optimize your strategies over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.